In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating the correct match between the joint type and the example. For this, we are ignoring the wrong option by giving the appropriate illustration. Why we are avoiding option A? Why? Because the cartilaginous joint we are observing exactly at the epiphysis of the bone as well as at the pubic symbiosis area. So we are avoiding option A. Why we are avoiding pivotal joint? Why? Because this joint is exactly present between the atlas and axis but not between the third and fourth cervical vertebra. Atlas and axis denotes the first and second cervical vertebra. There we are observing the pivotal joint but not between the third and fourth. So we are avoiding option B. Why we are avoiding option C? Because the hinge joint we are not observing exactly between the humerus and pectoral girdle. We are observing exactly at the elbow area. So we are avoiding option C. Why we are accepting option D? Why? Because gliding joint is exactly present between the carpal. So we are choosing option D as the correct option to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation that we are giving as a recap to take the NEET notes for future reference? One frequent kind of synovial joint that form when bone meet at flat and near flat articular surface is called a gliding joint. With gliding joint, the bone can move past one another diagonally up and down and in any direction along the joint plane. In the appendicular skeleton, there are several gliding joints that forms between the tarsal bone of ankle, dorsal and metatarsal of the foot, the carpal bone of the wrist and the carpal, and the metacarpal of the palm. With this specification, we are choosing option D as a correct matching option to secure 4 mark.